Hi guys, welcome to my new video. So today I'm introducing you my new n8n workflow, which is about creating a Jira issue from a Google form. So what do we need for this workflow? First of all, you need to have a Google form and the response sheet, which will be linked to the form to get the entered. Then you also need to have a Jira Cloud project credential, so with the API, etc. And you also need to have Gmail credential. So this workflow contains 5 nodes and is composed by 3 main steps. First of all, once you have filled the Google form and the answer will be stored in the Google Sheet, it will trigger the workflow. Then once this is triggered, all of the data will be normalized. So let's check. So for example, the priority will be mapped, etc. So all of the most important data will be normalized. Then once everything is fine, we will create a new ticket in Jira, and once the ticket is created, we will update the Google Sheet with the new information that we will get. So for example, we will get a ticket reference, a ticket linked, a new status, so the ticket will be created, the time of the creation and of the update. So it's for you to be allowed to follow up about the ticket and to get everything also stored in your Google Sheet from the response from the Google form. And once everything is fine, you will get a notification email with all of the information. So for example, with the link of the ticket, and also for example, you can decide if yes or no, the requester will get the same email with the same information, so he can follow up with the request. So now let's check the demo. Okay, so now I'm on my Google form. Let's try the demo. Okay, so email email.gmail.com. It's asked twice. Okay, context. This is a test for the video. If bug steps to reproduce, no bug. Alright, acceptance criteria, there is none. And for the priority, so we'll say high. So normally, as I said before, for the mapping, we will have high here, we will get high in the Jira ticket, but the information that we will receive for the mapping will be the ID 2, because the highest ID in terms of priority is 1 and the lowest is 5, so high is the second, and file, we don't need to add a file. So now let's submit. So now the Google form has been submitted successfully. Let's check the result on the sheet. So we have our new line, email.gmail.com. Alright, this is the test for the video, no bugs, there is none. Priority high, TES 508, this is the ticket that we will need to test. The link, status created, last time updated, so everything is fine. Now let's check the email. Alright, hello, you just received a new Jira ticket. Alright, created. Details, TES 508, so this is fine. URL, view ticket, so we'll click on it later. Title, this is the test for the video. Priority high, status created, the requester, the email. Alright, so we have all of the information that we need. So of course, the email can be changed, you can write whatever you want with whatever information you want. So now let's check the URL. Okay, so now I'm on my backlog on Jira. There is one ticket, TES 508, so this is the ticket that we wanted. Let's check the information. Alright, so the title, this is the test for the video, everything is fine. Description, email, context, this is the test for the video. Steps to reproduce, no bug. Acceptance criteria, there is none. Now let's check the priority. Priority high, so this is what we did before, and now we can see that everything is working fine with this workflow. So that's it for me. Bye bye.